Today's topic, control and coordination from class 10, and the topic is human nervous system. A human nervous system divided into two parts. First, central nervous system. Central nervous system, and other is peripheral nervous system. CNS in short way, and PNS and HNS. Human nervous system divided into two parts, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. And central nervous system further divided into two parts. First, brain, and second, spinal cord. And brain further divided into three parts. First, forebrain. Second, midbrain. And third, hindbrain. And in peripheral nervous system, further divided into two parts. Peripheral nervous system further divided into two parts. First, voluntary nervous system, and second, autonomic nervous system. And voluntary further divided into two parts. First, spinal nerves, and second, cranial nerves. And autonomic nervous system further divided into two parts. First, sympathetic nervous system, sympathetic, and other parasympathetic nervous system. Look here, central nervous system, it's found in mid region of the whole body parts, and major role of coordination by the brain and spinal cord. And the internal structure of brain divided into three parts, forebrain, and forebrain further divided into two parts. First, cerebrum and olfactory lobe. Olfactory parts, midbrain, no any division, and hindbrain further divided into three parts. First, pons. Second, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. and then forebrain further divided into two parts, cerebrum and olfactory lobes. Cerebrum, it's a major and main part of brain, major role of cerebrum. And the cerebrum, it's a further divided into four lobes and major role for whole controlling of the body by this part. And forebrain, like this. The outer part of brain, like this. The frontal part, forebrain, frontal lobe. In front, frontal lobe, and in middle region, it's a parietal lobe, and occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Number 1, cerebrum divided into 4 lobes. Frontal lobes, the responsibility of frontal lobe for high mental ability. हम कोई भी क्वेश्चन हमसे पुटअप किया जाता है तो उसका आंसर देने के लिए जब हम मेंटली किसी चीज को थिंक करते हैं और सोच के उसका रिप्लाई करते हैं तो वो हम ब्रेन के किस पार्ट से करते हैं, वो हम फ्रंटल लोब से करते हैं जो सेरिब्रम का फर्स्ट पार्ट है. एंड द अदर पार्ट parietal, second parietal lobe. In between parietal lobe, it's a other like feelings like touch, smell, like this. इस तरह के की फीलिंग्स को जब हम महसूस करते हैं और उसका रिप्लाई करते हैं तो वो हम किस लोब से करते हैं, ब्रेन के पेराइटल लोब से करते हैं. एंड टेम्पोरल लोब फॉर हियरिंग पावर. हियरिंग पावर मीन्स 20 to 20,000 हर्ट्ज के बीच की साउंड वेव्स को हम सुन सकते हैं और उससे बिलो और उससे हाई नहीं सुन सकते. तो इस रेंज की जो भी साउंड वेव्स होती हैं उसको हम किस लोब से ट्रेस कर पाते हैं, वो है टेम्पोरल लोब. नंबर 3 टेम्पोरल लोब. एंड नंबर 4 ऑक्सीपिटल लोब. एंड ऑक्सीपिटल लोब फॉर विजन. विजन मीन्स जो भी हम डिफ्रेंसिएशन इन कलर रेड, ग्रीन, येलो, व्हाइट को ट्रेस करते हैं और वो ट्रेसिंग हम किस पार्ट से करते हैं, ब्रेन के इस ऑक्सीपिटल लोब से करते हैं. इट्स अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जामिनेशन पर्पस. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ cerebrum or forebrain? And olfactory lobes, it's only for smell. Olfactory lobe related to inside the parietal lobe. Understand? And midbrain, it's a less developed part in the brain region. And the hindbrain, major role. The other part, it's a hindbrain, a cabbage-like structure back outside the brain part, it's a cerebrum. Sorry, cerebellum. And cerebellum, the swallow part is known as pons, and the inside the spinal cord and the medulla oblongata. And the pons, it's released in brain, the excretory products formed inside the brain, then removal, it's a scavenger like behavior, it show inside the brain part, and removing the nitrogenous waste matter produced inside the brain, carbon dioxide gases and released inside, then removal outside. And the cerebellum, it's control postures, running, riding, swimming, and walking, and different types of physical activities. We can find through the cerebellum. And the other part, medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, it's a major role. Medulla oblongata inside the brain, medulla, and medulla, it's control the heartbeat and the switch on and switch off system of related to respiration, means inhalation is start of breathing through this part, like a inspiration and expiration, or respiration start. The starting signal for the medulla in embryonic developmental stage. Understand? And the other part is spinal cord, and spinal cord, the backbone, and the backbone in middle region of the back part of the brain, it's a spinal cord and covered by the vertebra. The spinal cord, and the spinal cord, vertebra from a skeleton like a backbone. And the other peripheral nervous system divided into two parts, voluntary and autonomic nervous system. Voluntary, you know, involuntary and voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are also known as skeletal muscles, or skeletal muscles. And skeletal muscles means in Hindi ऐच्छिक and अनैच्छिक पेशी. ऐच्छिक means हमारी इच्छा के अनुसार, कुछ वर्क हमारी कंट्रोलिंग में होते हैं और हम अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार करते हैं, तो वो वॉलेंट्री नर्वस सिस्टम या वॉलेंट्री एक्शन कहे जाते हैं. स्केलेटल मसल्स के थ्रू होते हैं. वॉलेंट्री नर्वस सिस्टम डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, स्पाइनल नर्व्स एंड क्रेनियल नर्व्स. एंड स्पाइनल नर्व्स फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू, इट्स फाउंड इन बॉडी इन 12 pairs. And cranial nerves in 31 pairs. And spinal nerves further divided into 3 parts. Spinal nerves further divided into 3 parts. Spinal nerves divided into three parts. First, sensory nerves. Second, motor nerves. And third, mixed nerves. Sensory nerves, in some nerves show receive signals, and motor nerves reflect of the information, and mixed means fused the message. Some message carry on and then fused or misguide inside the body. No action or reaction performance outside. And the some sensory nerves like first, second and 8 in numbers, 1, 2 and 8. Sensory nerves 1, 2 and 8 in numbers. Those and forms of sensory like behavior, and the other third, fourth, 6, 11, 12. Third, 4, 6, 11 and 12. Mixed nerves, and third one is 5, 7, 9, 10. 5, 7, 9, 10. 4, 6, 11, 12. 5, 7, 9 and 10. Motor neurons, number 3, number 4, number 6, number 11 and number 12. And mixed neurons, 5, 7, 9 and 10. Understand? And the other part, autonomic nervous system, it's automatically like a sneezing, coughing, and blinking of eyes, and fluctuation of muscles, the different works inside the body. It's controlling by the autonomic nervous system, and autonomic nervous system further divided into two parts, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system, it's a contraction our pupil, and then it's both are antagonistic in nature. दोनों ही एक दूसरे के विपरीत काम करते हैं. अगर सिंपैथेटिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है तो पैरासिम्पैथेटिक उसको रिलैक्स करता है. लाइक अ हार्ट बीट contraction by the parasympathetic, then relax sympathetic.